In this exercise, we're going to demonstrate polymorphism using abstract classes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create an abstract animal class and then derive two classes from that, dog and cat. And I'm not trying to be overly practical here. I'm just trying to demonstrate the techniques involved in pure virtual functions and abstract classes. So what we have is an animal class. Let me add public to this real quick. And we make a talk function a pure virtual function, so that each derived function is going to have to implement its own version of talk, which is where our polymorphism comes in, because the compiler is going to understand that a dog's version of talk, which I'm about to implement right now, will be different than a cat's version. So there's our dog talk. Now let's build the cat class. Close off the definition. Now we didn't need any traces there. Let's bring that up a little bit. There we go. Come down to int main. And here we'll say dog Fido. There we go. Cat kitty. And then we can just write Fido talk and kitty talk. And the compiler will know which version of talk to call based on the object that it is. And we'll see. Once again, my typos may be instructive to you. I left off the semicolon out of the dog class definition, so that caused an error in my cat class definition. Let's try again. Oops, looks like I did it all the way down the line. There we go. Now let's try it one more time. And we have success. Okay. So dog Fido says bow wow, and our cat kitty says meow. So here's another example, this time using abstract classes, where we can have a single function, talk, and the compiler will figure out how to use it based on the object that it's connected to. And here we took the idea one step further by including an abstract class, which each class inherits from. And understand that because it's a pure virtual function, each class had to implement at least the talk function. And of course, it could have added its own functions and fields if it wanted to. I didn't add anything else so that I could isolate just the pure virtual function talk to demonstrate how it works. And with that, that closes out our chapter on polymorphism.